What is going on, guys? This video is for documentary, medical, and educational purposes only. Please be advised, don't try any of this at home unless you are a licensed medical patient in your state or you're in a rec state, something like that. And yeah, just stay safe, stay informed, enjoy the video. This is a crazy video, but I'm on my way to my local sanctuary. I didn't realize that dispensary was right next to my Sunnyside. It's like a 1-minute walk. So I'm now biking there in the middle of this summer heat in Florida. Jesus Christ. Don't say I never did anything for this channel, man. The two strains are Dawn Mega and Cola Ritz. Let's see how these are. I still haven't got them yet.
What the fuck y'all talking about? We only rep up dirty stuff. Chase a check till you finally out your mama's house. Digimon in driveways, Pokemon in parking lots. Niggas that you can't save, but damn it, we don't spark the law. Stuck up in...
I'm not sure if y'all can see, but that is a 100% flat tire. Rusty fucking chains. And we out here, bro. Heck no. I had to take a break, bro. I'm sweating, bro. Bike here. We chilling, we waiting. We finna still get that weed though. Honestly, I'd say we're less than halfway there already. I just gotta stop by, hit the ATM, and then we're on our way. Bitchin', man. Okay, we made it. This is the building. I'm gonna go see what the menu's talking about because obviously we can't record in any medical dispensary per Florida statutes. So I'm gonna let y'all know if I change my mind or anything. Yo, those guys are awesome. Awesome staff. Definitely, if I could, I would work there, man. Awesome, awesome staff. I can't lie, we got a nice haul. I did get the two strains that I ended up saying that I wanted when I was walking or biking here, I should say. But we got the haul, bro. We got the haul. And that staff, bro, they're so friendly in there. Really friendly. Sean, he kept trolling me saying he was the manager when the real manager was right next to him. Lovely lady. Lovely guys, man. I can't say enough good things about that experience. But yeah, we got the Dawn Mega and we got the Coke Ritz. And then if you leave a Google review, they actually didn't have any pre-rolls today. They said come tomorrow, but I'm not gonna be coming tomorrow. Yeah, they said that they don't have any pre-rolls, but they have edibles if you leave a Google review. And so I left the Google review for a free edible. I'm thinking I'm gonna get like one little cookie because I said, I don't want gummies, they're too grainy. And they ended up giving me a 10-pack of chocolate chip cookies that are like, bro, what's going on, bro? For free? But let's get back on this shit. It was worth it though. It was fucking worth it. Now the reason why I wanted to go to this dispensary all of a sudden at the drop of a hat, even with this busted up bike over here, is because of their percentages. I even told the lady at the counter, the manager apparently, that you guys have some crazy percentages for the prices. Usually when I go to a Sunnyside, right, their percentages fall between 15 to like 22%, which is not bad at all right? A lot of people would love that, love it, for sure, don't get me wrong. But with these, the Dawn Mega is 30%, and then this Cola Runts is 26%. Like, come on, man. I have to pick this up, and I have to try this quarter for $40, all right? Let me go and smell these. Oh, snap. There's not like a seal on it. What the heck? It's just this, and it's open. This is the Cola Ritz. These nugs, I'm not sure about these nugs, man. And the smell, it kind of gives me like a fishy smell, like a sushi smell. All right, Dawn Mega. Same thing, no seal. Yeah, this smells like some outdoor. I think that's what it is.